This video will show you how to replace your filter on your LP270. First, make sure your unit is powered off and unplugged. Remove the grill by the notches on the side. Then, pull the filter out by the tab at the top and separate the filter and the pre-filter. Take a vacuum with a brush attachment and gently vacuum your filters. When done, reattach the pre-filter to the filter and place the filter back with the tab on top. Reattach the grill to your unit. And that's how you change the filter on your LP270. To purchase more filters, visit LivePureShop.com.